Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that unfortunately this is going to be Ruby's last Flavour Friday episode. We have absolutely loved having Ruby on the School Walk YouTube channel, as have you guys, as we can see. Ruby's left the team, but she's had a great time too, and we're staying in touch. Hopefully we will have one of our new tutors on the channel to join Emma and myself very soon.
This is a beautiful stir fry using rice noodles. It's sweet, it's sour, it's salty, it's got some beautiful pork mince. It is a go-to recipe for all your stir fry needs. Welcome back to Flavour Friday. My name is Ruby from the School of Wok, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pad mi croûte. So today we're making pad mi croûte. So the real hero of this dish is the sauce. So we've got a number of beautiful, fragrant ingredients. We've got some fish sauce, we've got some tamarind, we've got some Thai shallots, some garlic, 2 different types of sugar, so it's a really sweet caramelized dish, and some chili just to get those spices going. So we're gonna start by making our beautiful sauce in our wok. Okay, so I'm getting my wok onto a medium-high heat to start with. The first thing we're doing is creating a caramel base for our sauce. So I have some sugar. This is just a white caster sugar. And I've got some palm sugar as well. We've got a refined and a non-refined, and we're just going to melt those down and bubble them up. You can use the back of that ladle to help crush that palm sugar. Doesn't always like to play nicely. Okay, so you can see how quickly that sugar is starting to melt down. So we'll just wait until it turns into a liquid, and it will start to get that beautiful golden color very, very quickly. That beautiful, did I mention that it's beautiful? It's beautiful! Okay, it's happening. Okay, it's bubbling up, and we've got that lovely color. So what we're gonna do before it starts to burn, we'll get in our shallots and our garlic. And they are gonna fry up in the sugar. Oh, it smells incredible. Okay, so adding in my Thai salted soybeans. So they've got that really punchy, salty, savory flavor. Cook that down, and I'm going to add in my tamarind paste. So quite a bit, so you need that sour to really cut through the sweetness and richness of those flavors that are already in there. And then add in my fish sauce. Okay, I'm gonna bring up the heat again, get it bubbling, get it infusing. But it already smells pretty damn good. And then the last thing I'm going to add in is some chili. Now this is optional. You can put in as little or as much as you like. I'm gonna go for a good 2 pinches of dried chili flakes, just so that you get that hum of spice all the way through. Okay, now that's all bubbled and infused nicely, I'm just going to add in a touch of water, just to let it out enough, and that I know that it's going to be able to wrap around my noodles and lift up any of those delicious bits that have stuck to the side of my wok, and we can take it out of the wok. Okay, so we have some soaked thin rice noodles here. So this is what we're going to stir fry. We've also got some bean sprouts, some spring onions, and then we've got some coriander and lime wedges to garnish with. We're making this dish with a minced pork, and we're also going to fry up some lightly whisked eggs. Okay, so the heat goes back on, and I'm using the same wok that I've just made my sauce in so that I can collect up any saucy flavors that have been left behind. About a tablespoon of oil goes in, get it nice and hot, and we can go in with our pork. Breaking it up with our ladle and really allow it to get some nice coloring. So our pork is looking damn fine now. I am going to just push it to the back of my wok, and I'm gonna go in with my noodles. A good couple of handfuls, and then mix that pork in. You want your noodles to really lose that kind of brilliant white. Okay, so noodles go to the back, and I'm going in with my egg. Now, I'm pretty much just going to cook this egg on the bottom of the wok here. Like a nice little eggy omelette. And then as soon as they start to bubble up, we can cut it up and mix it all in. This is not your delicate breakfast egg, I promise you. It's gonna be rustic and charred and also pick up all those great flavors from the wok. And then mix it all back through. Make sure it's well combined before we add in our sauce. At this point, I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit just so I can get everything well mixed in. Any little bits left at the bottom we can pick up, and I can add in my bean sprouts and my spring onions. Heat goes back up. Last little mix before we serve. Now it's mixed in really well, we're gonna serve it up. Yes, I've made a ridiculously large portion today. I think my eyes are possibly bigger than my stomach, but I can't wait to get tuck in. I've got some extra spring onions, a bit of coriander, and we'll put some lime wedges there, ready to taste. And there you have it. That is my version of a pad mi crêpe. Those soybeans give such a pack of flavor together with the sourness and the sweetness. That is a delicious pad mi crêpe. So tell me in the comments below, what do you prefer, a pad thai or a pad mi crêpe? I hope you enjoyed our video here on Flavour Friday. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and like this video.